Hello guys, in this tutorial you are going to learn how to use sniping tools in Microsoft Windows. Sniping tool is used to cut any part of your Windows for as long as the screen or the document that you want to cut is opened. So I'm going to show you how to gain access to your sniping tool. So I'm just going to open a web page and come over here and type sniping tool. Just go to your search and type in sniping tool. So I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to right click and pin it to my taskbar. You can see that the sniping tool is right here. So I'm just going to click on my sniping tool. If you click on your sniping tool, you discover that you have some options that you can use. So you can create a new snipe by clicking on new, and we have different modes. So if you click on this arrow, you're going to see the free form snipe. So if I select this option, and you can see my scissors, I can cut any part of this screen. So I can decide to, I didn't start the cutting very well, but you can just move like this and hold on your mouse and just continue to cut and release your mouse, and it's going to cut that part. This didn't come out well, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click on no. So I will click back on my sniping tool and select this option, freeform option. So this time around I'm going to start my cut from here. I'm just going to cut from here like this. Okay, this is better. So after cutting, you can do several things within these within the options that you have here. So you can copy, you can save it, and you can also send your snipe. So if I click on this arrow, you can send your snipe as email attachment, or if you want to write on it, you can select any pen here to write on your snipe. So you can decide to put something on this, on your snipe image. Then you have another option here. So if you snipe let's say a document and you want to highlight a particular point, you can do that as well. So if you want to erase, you can click on eraser and just erase what that you have put in there. So you have edit with paint 3D as well option, and so the option I'm going to use right now is copy option, and I'll go to my Word or PowerPoint or any document. I'm going to right click and click on paste. So it's going to paste that icon right here. Okay. So now let's look at the other option of our sniping tool. If you click, you have a rectangular snipe. So if you click on rectangular snipe, I'm going to click on new. Then I'm going to select mode. I'm going to select rectangular snipe, and then once you come over to the part of your document that you want to cut, is going to cut it just like this. As you can see, this is rectangle, so anyhow you want it. So I'm going to release my mouse and it's going to bring it down here. So you can save, or you can copy or send to anybody you want to send it to, or you can just use pen to further edit your snipe image. So I'm going to close this as well. Let's consider the other options. So I'm going to click on my snipe tool and also go to Windows Snipe. Now, the window snipe, we allow you to take any part of the window, whether you want to take this section of the window, or if you need only the taskbar. So if I go to my window snipe and I just click on my taskbar, it's going to snipe that. Okay, I'll click on this already, so you can see sniping my windows. So I can copy this, go to my Word and paste it. So I can use Ctrl V to paste as well. So you can see it's taking the entire windows, everything that you have there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my sniping tool and I'm going to just close this. No, I'll click on my sniping tool again and go to the options mode, which is full screen. So if you select full screen mode, it's going to capture the entire screen that is open. So you have, you know, everything captured. So you can save it. So if your intention is to capture the entire screen, you can use full screen and it's going to capture the visible part of your screen. Okay, the last thing I want us to look at in sniping tool is if I click on this, you see sniping tool is moving. So in a feature update, sniping tool will be moving to a new home. Try improve features and snipe like usual with snipe and sketch, or try the shortcuts. You can see I've talked about the shortcut, which is Windows logo key plus shift plus S. So try snap and sketch. Click on try snap and sketch. This is the environment. Right in this environment, you can try a new snipe by clicking on this. So I'm going to capture the entire window. I'm going to capture the entire window, and I'm just going to click, and I have the windows right here. So what I'm going to do is just to explain some of these tools right here. So if you can use the ruler tool, let's say you want to draw line. Let's say you want to draw a line, you are going to use the ruler tool. You can move it. So I can move my ruler tool somewhere here and decide to draw a line, and I can start by drawing the line. So you can actually draw a straight mouth. So you draw a straight line across your ruler like this, and I can draw another line like this on the on my sniped image. So the other thing you can do is you can pick an highlighter. Maybe you want to highlight a particular part of your document or what you have sniped, so you can highlight some parts there. So here you have your pencil tool. You can use your pencil tool to write additional content, you know, or just circle around something, and circle around circle a word or an image. And you also have your ballpoint pen. You can also use this to type, or you can use this to circle something as well. You have the crop tool, so you can decide to crop the part of your sniped image that you don't like. So you can just crop that. Just hold on this and drag, drag, and it's going to remove the part that you do not want. Or I could just extend this part to cover this section. Okay, so and when you are through, hit the enter key and you have your cropped part of your image right here. So you can do the same thing. You can save, you can copy, and you can send as an attachment, or you can send to people. If you click on send, you have options. So you can send through mail using Microsoft Outlook. Right, so I'm going to just copy this and then go to Microsoft Word and paste it. So I'm just going to hit Ctrl V to paste that. So Sniping tool is not just a tool for cutting out a particular content on your screen, but you can do more after cutting out or after sniping the part of the screen that you want. You can edit, you can add other things to a particular image that you sniped out or that you cut out of a section in your screen. So people, that is all about this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please share my content and subscribe. Also like. Thank you.